Hello guys and welcome back to the mood. I'm so happy to see you again. Today it's as usual a new day, a new life, and everything is brand new and sweet. And guys, if you are following the channel and if you are not looking anywhere else, you knew that this move here was a potential move for yesterday, because that was my prediction that I did here on this very same channel yesterday. But did you miss it? I hope not. So welcome to the mood. It's time to analyze Bitcoin one more time, and then we'll get a little overlook over other cryptos, and especially 1inch. That was our choice made on Telegram yesterday. And if you want to vote for tomorrow's coin, join us on Telegram. And welcome back to the mood. I'm really happy to see you guys today. I really like the way this channel is growing and the good people we are attracting on this little community. It's very nice and very sweet, and it really cheers me up on a daily basis. You know, the mood is good because of you guys, and of course because I kind of liked what I saw yesterday. So that was my scenario, my certain scenario in my video from yesterday, and we are on the 4-hour chart on Bitcoin. I told you guys we would be sitting and ranging over that resistance line, and then having a trial on this moving average, this green moving average that you can see here. And that was my certain scenario. 48 was guaranteed. And then I told you that the potential upside scenario was this one that you can see here in gray. So I guess it's validated. So we put it in yellow, like the rest of all my other prediction, guys. And if you are following the channel, you don't need to do anything. And if you are not, guys, don't be mad at yourself. Make yourself a favor, because really, I don't know. It took me years to learn this technique that I made myself. I haven't found that anywhere else on YouTube, the time I was looking and the time I was desperate and a noob in cryptos. So I wish I found at that time a channel like this one. But I'm creating what I wanted to have had at that time. That's it. No catch, no Bybit, no referral. I'm not trying to make money out of you. I have everything I need in my life, except from your humankind, your human presence. That's all I want. So where are we now on Bitcoin? That's the thing. That's the thing we want to figure out. Where are we now? And that's the thing you want also me to figure out for you. We are doing here only a day trend analysis. So middle term and long term, you know what's my opinion. I don't need to voice it again. So we reached this 5,400, which I'm quite happy about. And we had this resistance here. So we made it a little bit lower. So I'm going to adjust my line. Okay. Perfect. That's my resistance here. So what's coming next? What we can see. Shendemo, super high, guy. Touching the main resistance that every time results in a pullback. VIX very short, not that good. MACD, it's bending, it's bullish but starting to bend a little bit. And over here on the RSI we are extended but not that much. And don't forget we have this resistance here that is going to support us once we have a little bit of a pullback. So it's 11:23 a.m. Paris time right now at the moment that I'm talking to you guys. And I think during the 3-4 coming hours, we'll be probably dipping a little bit. We have a resistance that I don't need to draw, but I kind of see it here. We are going to dip a little bit under these levels. But then I think this resistance is going to take us back there to 51,300. I don't think we have a real significant pullback, but we have to keep an eye that it's possible. The first thing that I see here today is a pullback. So it's kind of obvious. So you have to be warned of that. But the second thing I see is that we want 51, we want 53, and that's where we are going after. We need to see how much we retrace on that chain demo and how fast we do that. Sometime in just 2 hours, we are resetting over that resistance line and we are ready for another move up. So if you are a day trader, be careful. That's a tricky day. If you are a long-term investor, you're okay, you're all set. It's gonna move up at some point. Worst case scenario. So what we have next here, I'm gonna give you the super scenario that we want. Later, that's our super scenario, put it in gray. Super scenario, you know guys, it's 58,200. We can break that anytime. I'm not gonna lie to you. Then it's just depending on the fundamentals. Worst case scenario, I'm not gonna write it down, but it's a pullback to 47,900. Let's say 48, okay? I don't believe that. It's there, but I don't think so. For now, that's the most probable that we actually start ranging over that very, very thin resistance line that doesn't make so much resistance. So, all right, so be careful, trade carefully, no leverage, no short, you'll be all right. As usual, guys, I'm taking care of your future financial independence. Okay? So I told you guys we would have a look at 1 inch, just a quick look at DOGE. I like what I see here, that these two moving average are starting to go parallel, which is good. We broke that resistance line finally. There is in fact a resistance here. Okay, we can even draw it quickly, so we're gonna have it. Very thin one. But I think it's the same. We are going to go ranging there. We didn't catch that resistance line on the top, so we have more upside room. However, these two indicators are bearish, but we'll see. It's a tricky day. I'm more of the upside. Now it's more like a personal opinion. We are going back to 31 cents. Okay, 1 inch. 1 inch. By the way, I was looking at MetaMask. My MetaMask is super empty. Don't pay attention to that. It's just for a demonstration purpose. But it's crazy how the fees are expensive right now. Like I bought this shit, this shit coin, and if you want now to swap it, it's just gonna cost you. It's crazy. It's like about $100 just to cancel a transaction. $75. Bunkers. Uniswap. That's Uniswap. So really, I'm like, really, that's the future. Bullish on Ethereum, but it's not on a practical side. It's not ready for main adoption, guys. Definitely not. Definitely not. So 1 inch. You know, guys, we are going to check the basics because I don't know 1 inch at all. So aggregation protocol. All right. Let's check quickly what's the foundation. Okay. Who are these guys? It's kind of they all have name from Eastern countries, from Russia, so it's like a Russian. It's definitely Russian. Okay, nothing against Russian. They are less worse than Americans these days. Sorry, but I'm not communist at all, but America is going down the drain for me, apart from certain areas, but whatever. We are not here to talk about that. Plus, I'm totally apolitical. I don't care of politics. Don't say it, but I'm like a little bit anarchist. from the right side, not the side of people who wants to destruct, but on the side of people who wants to build, and people who believe you don't need a father figure as a master to tell you what's good for you and what's not, and to collect your money at the end of the month. That's my opinion. I think it's all manipulation, but it's easier. Humankind was like that since biblical times, so you're not gonna change that easily, but it's changeable. Whatever. So okay, Russian coin with a clean website. Now, is that enough? It's like, okay, they did the effort, so we're gonna pay attention. What's their market cap? That's the kind of thing you want to see. Yesterday they had a volume of 400 millions, which is okay. Okay, when I see that, I'm like, okay, this is a coin we can really pay attention to. Okay. Market cap seems a bit okay. Okay, 600 millions. Well, okay, we can check it out. It's not the best data I would like to see, but we can check it out. So 1 inch, I guess that's their even symbol. They are trading on Binance, so I'm gonna go for the Binance chart, guys. Just a quick reminder. Do it now if you didn't do it. Okay. This looks like this has similitude with the Dogecoin chart, especially with the MACD actually going parallel at that very same point. So trend lines. And if you're still watching this video, you're one of my best subscribers. I love you. Because many people, they have an attention, how do you say in English? An attention moment very short, so they don't take time, and these things needs time if you don't want to get wrecked. It's not about the fever. Don't get the fever. Don't get the NFT fever. Don't get all those gold rush feelings, those excitements, those dopamine levels. Keep them normal if you want to stay focused and don't do mistakes in your tradings. Don't look to be rich overnight. That's not gonna happen. It just happened to a very few people, like lottery. You prefer certain things than lottery, trust me. All right. We are looking for our main trend lines here. We got some that are pretty high. I'm trying to catch this one. Thank you. It's very extended over there, so maybe I don't have the space to do it. Let's extend my chart. Come on. Too much magnet. I'm gonna put it away. Yeah, we kind of have something here that is much higher. Do we have any resistance in the middle? Yes, here. That's a level we have to pay attention to. It's actually here. And what I see, guys, on this 1 inch chart at first sight, it looks like Doge and Ethereum. I don't know if they have what's the correlation, but it really looks like Doge and Ethereum, which means we have a very nice scenario here that can take us very fast. Very big gap here to 7.4. Okay, but that's not my prediction. That's a potential scenario. But when you see that kind of gap, you pay attention, obviously. So now let's see what we have on the RSI, what kind of resistance we have. We have one here that really made support. And we have one here that made resistance. And those are our main support lines on the RSI. The Shendemo looks high, VIX high, MACD okay, just okay. And our RSI has room to go upside. So we are talking about the same kind of day as Bitcoin, probably a bit of ranging here, but definitely this price action wants to catch 3.6, 3.7, okay? Going lower, if we had to really establish a bad scenario for the day, which I don't think so, we'll be going back to $2.9, $3, but I don't think so. So that would be here my prediction for 1 inch. We didn't check the S&P. Let's have a quick look, and you can see that I was not wrong on that again. So let's see what's the next move. S&P might go a little bit lower during these coming sessions. Yeah, it might go a little bit lower and have a little bit of a correction, hopefully not to 4,469, because that would take the whole market down. And it would take us back to that scenario that I told you I don't really like. It's a safe day. It's not gonna happen much. Maybe a little bit of a drop. Yeah, that's all I see, guys. That's all I see. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you watch it to the end, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Please consider joining us on the Telegram group that you can see after, and subscribe to the channel. You want to make a DOGE donation? You can do it. It's there. You want to join the channel as a special member? You can do it. It's down there. And guys, I see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Peace.